Indian kitchens are full of herbs and spices that brings not only taste but also health benefits to the table. Among this, Kasuri Methi stands out as a unique ingredient that can instantly elevate everyday meals. If you are tired of the same flavors day after day, a pinch of this dried fenugreek leaves can refresh the palate. Most people think of adding it only to dals and sabjis, but kasuri methi has far more versatile uses. Beyond flavors, it also supports digestion, making it a staple worth keeping in every pantry. Kasuri methi refers to dried fenugreek leaves that are widely used to add depth of taste and aroma to Indian dishes. With its slightly bitter yet aromatic flavor, it brings a distinctive note that enhances the overall character of food. To prepare kasuri methi at home, wash fresh fenugreek leaves thoroughly, dry them under the sun or in a microwave, crush the dried leaves slightly with your hands, store them in an airtight container. This simple process ensures you always have homemade kasuri methi ready for use. Storage is a key to preserving the aroma and flavor of kasuri methi. Store in an airtight glass or steel container. Keep it away from direct sunlight and moisture. Refrigerate small amounts if you want to extend shelf life. Avoid plastic bags as they trap moisture and reduce crispness. With proper storage, kasuri methi can stay fresh for several months. Both fresh fenugreek leaves and dried kasuri methi have their own unique qualities. Fresh fenugreek leaves flavored are mild and slightly bitter, soft and leafy texture, uses in sabjis, theplas, parathas or curry, and quality of fresh fenugreek leaves required a handful or more. While kasuri methi flavor are strong, concentrated and aromatic, crisp and crumble texture, and uses for curries, dals, breads, snacks, and marinades. Quality of kasuri methi required just a pinch or two. Fresh fenugreek leaves adds volume, while kasuri methi adds depth of flavor. Both are equally valuable in Indian cooking. Kasuri methi is more than just a flavor enhancer. It has nutritional benefits too. Rich in antioxidants, supports the immune system. It packed with minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium and potassium. It helps weight management and promotes satiety. Kasuri methi linked with better cardiovascular balance. Including it in your diet is a simple way to combine taste and wellness. Punjabi curries and meat dishes are incomplete with kasuri methi. Crush and sprinkle on butter chicken or chicken tikka masala for a smoky depth. Add to marinade for chicken or meat before grilling or roasting. Mix into creamy gravies like korma to balance richness. Even a small pinch brings out the best in non-veg dishes. Everyday vegetable and curries can feel repetitive, but kasuri methi instantly transforms them. Add a spoonful while frying onions and tomatoes for paneer bhurji. Sprinkle over aloo curry or mixed veg to enhance taste. Use in butter paneer for a rustic, homely flavor. It turns routine sabjis into something more fragrant and appealing. Dal is a staple in Indian meals, but flavor fatigue can set in. A kasuri methi tadka changes that. Add kasuri methi to hot clarified butter or oil while tempering. Use it in dals like arhar, chana dal, rajma or chole. Pair it with cumin, garlic and red chilies for a bold taste. This simple twist makes dal taste refreshing without altering its essence. Indian breads become more flavorful with a touch of kasuri methi. Mix into dough while kneading for parathas. Add to stuffing for layered breads. Use in naans or rotis for a rustic note. It works beautifully with wheat, giving breads an earthy character. Snacks and appetizers get a lift when kasuri methi joins the recipe. Add to onion pakora batter for a fragrant crunch. Mix in stuffing for samosas and kachoris. Sprinkle over savory snacks for added flavors. From tea time bites to festive appetizers, Kasuri Methi never disappoints. Kasuri Methi has also entered global kitchens, showing its versatility. Sprinkle into white sauce pasta for an earthy twist, add to yogurt dips or creamy spreads, mix into bread dough for a rustic loaf, use in marinades for grilled vegetables. This blend of traditional and modern use makes Kasuri Methi relevant beyond Indian cooking. Kasuri Methi may be a small addition, but it has the power to completely uplift a dish. Whether you are cooking curries, dal, breads, snacks, or even fusion meals, keeping this ingredient handy ensures your food never feels monotonous. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.